Friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to be addressing you today, and I wish to thank the International Union of Architects for organizing this event in preparation for the international forum that will be held in Madrid in 2022. Affordability is one of the 7 components of the right to adequate housing and is critical in reaching the goals of 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda to ensure that no one and no place is left behind. The lack of affordable solutions increasingly pushes people into sharing overcrowded, unsafe, and poorly insulated dwellings, or to move into areas of cities with little access to employment and education opportunities, healthcare, or green spaces. More and more people are affected by the lack of affordable housing, especially persons with low income, young people, senior citizens, and large families with children, particularly in big cities. Recent data suggests that around 80% of cities worldwide do not have affordable housing option for people on the median income. This can be seen in Latin America, where high house prices and inaccessible housing finance are forcing people to resort to living in informal settlements. In many parts of Africa, where less than 10% of households can afford a mortgage, even for the cheapest newly built house. In Europe, where housing prices have grown 3 times faster than incomes in the past 20 years. Worryingly, this unaffordability trend seems to be worsened in the aftermath of the COVID-19 crisis, with rising levels of unemployment and poverty, which are in turn matched with a constant increase in housing prices. As noted in our flagship report, Cities and Pandemics, Towards a More Just, Green and Healthy Future, tackling challenges from COVID-19 pandemic, climate and housing emergencies will require a new social contract based on access to adequate housing for all and on governmental interventions to respect, protect, and fulfill this fundamental right. To this end, governments need to coordinate policies purposefully by ensuring complementarity between objective key stakeholder roles, resources, and actions. We also believe that achieving the right to adequate housing for all needs to be ultimately recognized as a responsibility shared with other stakeholders, including architects and practitioners. Your role is critical to develop sustainable and affordable solutions that can be scaled up for quality housing production and refurbishment of existing buildings by putting people at the center of the process. Your experience and expertise is also central to ensuring that housing is integrated in urban planning, is connected to the urban fabric and basic services. You also have a unique role to play to make sure that local materials and traditional techniques are leveraged to promote sustainable and affordable housing solutions. Let me end by stressing the importance of our cooperation, especially in the running up to the International Forum next year, to find solutions to face the housing affordability challenge, leaving no one and no place behind. Thank you, and I wish you a fruitful discussion.